do you think about the torture chamber?
It's really crazy scene. I think I almost won. I lost though to bots, so it's pretty sad in the end.
Have you experienced something like this before?
Never, no. This is probably a first time. I've never seen this kind of like this the light show with the chair. It's crazy. The worst part, the smoke and the lights. You can't see what you're doing, and you're being thrown around everywhere.